Ahoy, me hearties! I be Captain Bubbles, the cleanest pirate on the seven seas. Are ye ready for a splish-splashin' adventure? It be bath time, and you know what that means. Treasure hunting. But first, we need to prepare our ship. Can you help me turn on the water? Excellent. Now let's add some bubble bath. Can you help me pour it in? Shiver me timbers. The water be risin' and... what's this? Our tub be transformin'. We've been transported to a magical ocean. Look at all the treasures waiting to be found. First treasure be the golden soap. Can you help me find it? It helps us scrub away the dirt and stay clean. Excellent work, me crew. Now let's use the golden soap to scrub our arms. Can you show me how you scrub? Great scrubbin'! Now let's sing our bath time shanty. La 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 scrub-a-dub-dub in the magical tub. La la la, we're pirates clean from head to toe. La 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 wash behind your ears and between your toes. La 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 bubbles and fun, our adventure's begun. Great singin', mateys. Now can you spot the rubber ducky of cleanliness? You found it. The rubber ducky helps us have fun while we get clean. Let's give the ducky a little squeeze. Can you make a squeaky sound with me? Our last treasure be the shiny seashell of fresh smell. Can ye see it hiding behind that coral? The magic be fadin', and we're back in our regular tub. But remember, every bath can be a treasure hunt. Thank you for joining me on this clean adventure. Until next time, keep scrubbing and stay bubbly.